goes the airplane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You're not gonna believe it, but I got that on.
Stay on this side of the boundary.
Was the definition put up requesting 3,000 feet? The 16 and then 2, clear it 2, from the band 2, 3,000 feet, KH 1012, squawk 2003.
Maar dat lijkt niet mee te vallen.
It's his engines now. Oh. Right, going.
That's the gun.
They then stopped flying at the scale line to watch this aircraft because it is an awesome machine. When you watch the profile of this aircraft in the sky, very, very difficult to choose between a model and the full size.